Yo, what is up, guys? It is the Crazy Gamer here, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to set up a like a rival in Pokemon Essentials, and really, it doesn't have to be used for a rival. Really, all this is it's showing you how to make multiple types of like a trainer based on decisions you've made. So for the rival, for example, like their starter choice based on yours, and it is very easy to do. So I'm just gonna open up my game, and yeah. So I'm just gonna create a new test map. So I'm just gonna new map. And let's just call this oh god, rival test. Let's just make this outside, and then let's just give ourselves a nice little border, just so that yeah. Oh boy. I don't really care that this looks messed up. Close enough. Alright. Now I'm just going to go set my starting position, you know, all the yada yada yada. Edit. Rival test. Alright. So, I'm going to have this link in the description, and it's going to be to the wiki. It explains how the rival trainer works, like how you can set up its name. So you can automatically name them, and it'll override what's the name is given in the trainer's text. So I'm just going to open that up just to show you guys, because I don't actually use this feature. I already pre-named the rival, but just so if you guys want to know how to do this. Yeah, okay. Rival. Alright. Alright. So, wait, what's that? Alright, okay, so, one way that you can name your rival is by using this script here. And what this does is PB set, so this is the 12th variable. So, for example, if you go let's just go here, variable 12, rival name. So they've already done that. But if you want to do it, so let's say, just for the sake of things, I always just make it a Bulbasaur because that's my first graphic. You can make whatever your first graphic is. You can go script. You're going to need to go to extend text. And then go back, and boom. So what this does is, it also explains it there. But, so this is the variable. This is what is your rival's name, right? And 1 means the minimum length of the name, 7 means the maximum length. So if you wanted, you can make this like 10. So that's what we're going to do. And then next, if you want to display, so we'll just set a self switch A to on, and I'm just going to copy it and then just paste it, and then just delete this, and then just go self switch A is on, just so that I don't have to redo the graphic. And then I'm going to do show text, rival's name is, and then to display the rival's name, since it's stored in variable 12, would be /v bracket 12, like square bracket 12 square bracket. So that will display the name. Alright, so we're just gonna test that out and because, you know, it's good just to test that that works before anything else. So let's talk to it. Rival's name will be Johnny. Talk to it again. Rival's name is Johnny. So that works. Next is in the settings, you'll have this this array here. I think that's an array. I haven't done like programming in a while. Alright. Rival names. So rival 1 is in your PBS, your trainers, well your not trainer list. Your trainer types will be rival 1. This here. I'm pretty sure there already is a rival 1, if I'm not mistaken, somewhere. I guess not. I thought there was. Control F. Rival. Oh. Apparently not. I was wrong. But anyways, so you're going to want to make a rival in the trainer types. And as I stated in the last video, it's the exact same. So you're going to want to set up rival. Just copy one of these. Just replace it with rival 1, all caps. And then just name it rival. So it'll be rival whatever your name is. And then just leave the rest of this the same. And remember that this matches up with the graphic. Next, in the trainers, you're going to find, before when you made a like thing, it would just be grunt. Now for a rival, what you're going to want is, beside the name, you can name it whatever you want, because if you set the variable, it'll override this. You're going to want version 1, version 2, version 3 of the rival. So what this does is it has 3 different types of this rival. So one with a Charmander, one with a Squirtle, one with a Bulbasaur. And the reason why we want, instead of making 3 different like trainer types, this one here just means that it's a new like version of that rival, or whatever trainer. For example, here, where this is 0, if you're doing trainer 1, this here, 1, you would just replace this with a 1, or a 2, or a 3, or whatever version of your rival. Alright? Easy enough. So now, if you're making, instead of it being your rival, you want to just make it like your best friend, and your trainer type name is friend, then you just replace this with whatever, and then this is the variable name. So this overrides whatever this name here is. So we're going to test this out after you guys have already made your thing. So I'm going to go here, cancel, test town. So I'm going to go to my intro, like, which is from the very beginning. Let's go to Pokemon Lab, and we're going to copy this here, down here. We're going to paste it 3 times. So we're going to, actually, instead of pasting it 3 times, we're just going to paste it twice. Actually, we're just going to go intro, going to take the second one, copy that one, paste that there. Just because this here is a Bulbasaur and its variable 7 is 1, and then this one's variable 7 is 2, and we're going to use that to use this here to our advantage. So next, what you're going to want to do is just set up the trainer by copying a trainer, so just like this. But you can just go ahead, delete this, delete that, delete that. This is what you're going to want to change. So again, you're going to want to go, whoops. I hate setting this up. Oh my lordy, lordy, lordy. Alright. Instead of youngster, it is rival 1. His name is Blue. That will still have to be what this here is. It'll still have to be this name. So don't forget that. And then we're just going to set this to 1 for now. Okay? So now before this, what we're going to do is we're going to set a conditional branch. And what this does is that it'll check. So, for example, we're going to do starter choice 7. If this is equal to 1, it'll do something, else it'll do something else. So the more variable of this you have, for example, if we did all 3 Pokemon, you would do, again, 7, oh, whoops, not switch, variable. 7 is equal to 2, and then you would then put the else. But anyways, we don't need this one. So if it's equal to 1, we'll do that. If it's equal to 2, we'll just change this number here to 2. And then we'll leave that as is. Control X, Control V, and then apply. So we're going to test this out now. And I'm going to show you guys with both Pokemon just to show that it will be different. So we're going to set the name to Johnny. We're going to start off, actually I'm going to save now. Save the game. We're going to grab the, oh god. Debug, switches, choosing starters on. Now we're going to save. I just had to do that because that's the switch that is used to let you choose a Pokemon or not. I'm an idiot. Okay, what is going on? Pokemon Lab. What switch needs to be on? Choosing starter. On, yeah, okay. What the hell? Alright. This is being stupid. I'm gonna go here. After he said his name, actually before this. Control switch is... Choosing starter is on. Okay. And then, now let's try this out. Actually, you know what? We're just going to delete this first page. Whoops. I'm going to delete this first page. Check that off. Hit apply. Same thing for this one. Check that off. Apply. Okay. Now we're going to try this. Sorry if I seem unorganized with this. I mean, this is my first take doing this. And, yeah, but I mean, it's actually really easy to do. Yeah, so let's try this out. So, Johnny. And then Bulbasaur, yes. Obtain Bulbasaur, no. So let's go talk to this guy. So he has a Charmander for my Bulbasaur. So I'm going to exit. Now I'm going to try this again, but this time I'm going to choose the other Pokemon. New game. Oops, gotta talk to you again. Rabble's name. Johnny. Yes. Alright. Now let's battle him. What? What the hell? Whoops, I put that in the wrong spot. It has to be in the else. My bad, guys. I messed up. Okay. Let's try this one last time. Johnny. Let's grab the second Pokemon. Now, wait for that, okay. Now, there we go. So, let's see. And you'll notice his name is Johnny. But anyways, Squirtle. See? There you go. It changed. Oh god, what did I click? It changed. So hopefully you guys found this helpful. I mean, this turned out longer than it needed to be. Wow. But I mean, it is really easy. If you have any questions, please let me know. Really, that's about it. I don't really know what else to tell you. My next tutorial will actually be adding mega evolutions from scratch, because I didn't really go over it that well. I mean, where is it here? Because I just gave you what my copied is, but I don't know if you want to add like your own mega evolution. So I'll actually show you how to do that from scratch. And yeah, if you see here, I have the Mega Rayquaza, as well as the Kyogre and Groudon. So, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. This has been The Crazy Gamer, and peace out.